faces by the door, sorting through my memories, cross-legged on the floor. My diaries and scrapbooks, oh, they seem to take me there. I was